Well, let's turn to local manufacturing because billions of dollars are lost annually because of unnecessary repair works that are carried out on manufacturing machines and equipment that have not been properly maintained and lubricated. That makes the lubricants market very important. My next guest works in that space. I'm joined by Ebenezer Ni Takilai, who is Chief Operating Officer and National Sales Manager at JoyNews Company Limited, which is this weekend opening a new oil terminal which would further boost the market. Great to have you on Business Live tonight. Before we talk about the oil terminal, how would you describe the lubricants market in Ghana?
All right. Thank you very much, Daryl. Daryl, can you hear me?
I can hear you loud and clear.
All right. So thank you very much, Daryl. My name is Mr. Ebenezer Lai, as you said, and I work with JoyNews Company Limited. Actually, if you look at the lubricant market, basically you realize that the industry is a little bit choked with the influx of low-grade lubricants. This is causing, most of these manufacturing companies to spend a lot or increase their budget on maintenance. It's really an area that I believe that we should have some form of how do you call it regulation. It should be regulated, and I can tell you on authority 60% of the lubricants on the Ghanaian market do not actually cut it. You have a lot of lubricants that doesn't meet the standards when it comes to lubrication of machinery in this country and even vehicles, because it's an area that we Ghanaians have really not been educated, because every specific engine or machine needs specific lubricants, and you do not run lubricants or use any form of lubricants for any machine, because per the OEM specifications you need to have right lubricants to go along with the various machines that all these manufacturing and mining companies are actually using. This is what is causing a lot of breakdowns, and it's rather unfortunate that when we import heavy-duty machines into the country, very expensive machines, and we have a lot of lubricant-related breakdowns. But that is why JoyNews is here to try to solve that situation.
And I guess it's very expensive to repair those machines once they break down. So, for instance, your firm, how long has it been in the space here in Ghana? Tell me a bit more about how you are meeting the needs of industry as far as equipment lubrication is concerned.
All right, so thank you for that, Daryl. JoyNews has been in the lubricant space technically for about 3 years now. And our biggest partner, which is Petro-Canada, we represent Petro-Canada not just in Petro-Canada lubricants, not just in Ghana, but in the whole of West Africa and Central Africa as well. This partnership has been very, very strong. We have seen that it is high time Ghanaians actually get products that are right for the use of lubrication on their machinery and all that. So we believe that Ghanaians actually deserve quality in this particular space. We are not just into the supply of lubricants or that's what people say, supply of lubricants and all that, but we also offer oil analysis, we offer lubrication training, and we also offer support as well to all our clients. Currently, we are having the highest quality lubricants on the market when it comes to all our range of lubricants, especially, for example, we are looking at our 15W40, which is an API CK4. We are doing Group 3 base oils, which is the highest on the Ghanaian market now. We are beating all the competition, actually. So for us, we have been in the system, we have been around for 3 years, but we are really going very fast because of the quality of the products.
All right, so this weekend you open a new terminal. It's located at Takwa, I believe. What is your target market? I believe it's the mining sector too, and how would it further boost your operations over there?
Okay, so thank you very much. We strategically located the oil terminal in Takwa, because we have done a little bit of research, and we realized that we needed to really support the mining community. We have had instances of situations whereby we meet maintenance managers and they complain about the lubricants that they are getting on site. And based on this, we said, okay, we need to get this solution closer to the mining community. So we really invested some very huge sums of money in setting up this ultramodern lubricant terminal, purely because with respect to the mining community, one thing they look out for is capacity. And this is a very strong statement to tell the mining community that Utilex Petro-Canada has come of age and is willing to support the mining industry and the manufacturing industry with cutting-edge solutions from this organization.
Well, speak of manufacturing, is it your plan to venture into producing the lubricants here in future?
For now, Daryl, I believe that we want to take it step by step. We are, a growing institution, but we are really growing really fast. The thing is, we have a very strong representation with Petro-Canada, and Petro-Canada Lubricants is actually supporting us in this particular space. And so it's a very strong bond or strong partnership that we have. And possibly maybe in the future, we will look at certain collaborations, but our collaboration with Petro-Canada is what we are going with. And we want to support the Ghanaian market with that. For actually producing lubricants, no, not now. But our partnership is possibly going to look at maybe Petro-Canada coming to extend or set up a base within the in Ghana, which will serve the West African community as well. So it's the whole it's something that possibly in the future we will look at. Not to blend the oils ourselves, but Petro-Canada coming down to actually set up certain facilities.
All right. Ebenezer Lai, Chief Operating Officer, Utilex Company Limited, thanks for your time.